What's up, YouTube? Now, I just got my box back from NC Engravers. I had sent my Canik slide in, and to get it milled for an optic cut for the Holosun 407K, and also to get it cerakoted Glacier Silver with a magwell and a basepad. And I just got it back today, so we'll do the unveiling to see how it looks. Again, they send another towel. Here's my parts back. This is the rear sight, time sight, so that's good. Got that back. Oh yeah. Here's the magwell. This is the magwell from Taylor Freelance. That looks pretty nice. And again, you get the care package. This time I got some Mentos, lemon, my Sour Patch, cool. Don't forget to check for your screw tightness, their business card, and of course the review. And here's my base pad, Glacier Silver, +3 from the Elite Combat Executive. Came out pretty cool, real nice. And for the major reveal, let's see. Oh yeah! Now that looks nice. So I sent it in to get the optic cut for the Holosun. I chose the Glacier Silver, and I also got the ray cuts. Now the ray cuts is something new for the Canik TP9 line, being offered from NC Engravers, so that's great. Thumbs up to Mark for providing this for me. Really appreciate that, and it looks really beautiful. I mean, what a job well done. Next thing to do is to go ahead and install this and put it together. Here's the mag. Install the +3. That's it. There's the frame. I installed the mag release from, shoot, I forgot who makes that, but you can purchase that off of the Taylor Freelance website. And in order for you to install one of these, you're gonna have to switch out the actual mag release from the frame itself. You have to like remove the spring that's inside here, pop that off, slide the entire piece out. Order one. I got mine from Optics Planet, so you can order a mag release, TP9 SFX style mag release from Optics Planet. That's they have some right now as of this recording. I need to get another one because I want to get one for my Mete. So anyways, yeah, so install the new one, take the old one out, install the new one. You're able to go ahead and install one of these paddle style or extended mag release button. So yeah, so I went ahead and installed that. That's how that looks. Let's put this on like this. Yeah, that looks nice already. Let's install the magwell. There it is. Oh yeah, that's what I need to do. I need to take that off.